friends, it's Gabby. So I'm here in front of you and we're gonna do a makeup tutorial today. Honestly, I don't really have a goal in this makeup tutorial. Probably I'm gonna do a tangerine summery makeup look because it's still summer and yeah. Anyway, I'm so awkward right now. Let's get started. I'm gonna start off by priming my face with the Ordinary High Adherent Silicone Primer. This one mattifies your skin a lot. Let's start with the concealer. I use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden. I mainly put it on my under eyes and I don't really mind the rest. I'm gonna use this Eco Tools sponge and I'm gonna spray it with some water. I tend to put like a few layers because like one layer doesn't really do a lot for me. Now that we're done concealing, let's finally start with the eyes because like that's the main part of my makeup and that's what usually takes a while. So today I'm gonna use the Yes Please palette by ColourPop. These have really nice shades. I will also use this palette because like this is a miniature palette from Sephora. It has like a few shades that we could use, especially the shimmery colors. So yeah, I'm gonna use this Eco Tools eyeshadow brush that has like two sides and I'm gonna put the shade Big Cocktails, which is this pink color, as a base. Okay, now that we're done with the base look, I'm gonna put this orange color called Champs in the crease area, and also right here I'm gonna spread it all over there. Now I'm gonna do that to the other side. I hope I'm not spreading it out too much because I can't really see from this far away. Now we're gonna move on to the fun part. I'm gonna use the color, this yellow shade. It's called French Kiss. I'm gonna put it like near like here on the corner of my eye and also like in the middle. So we'll see how that goes. Oh yeah, I was originally gonna buy like the Lemonade Craze palette because it had the yellow shade, but it said that the yellow was not as good as the ColourPop one, so I had to buy this one from Ulta. I hope the lighting is fine because like my room is a little dark lately and it's also gonna rain today, so yeah. Final step is to put the shade Honey from this palette on the lid just a little bit. The last thing I'd like to do is to put this pinkish silvery shade. It's called Candy and I'll put it in the inner corners. I've gotten progressively better at makeup, honestly, so I'm proud of this look. Now let's move on to the eyebrows. I do a really quick and easy like eyebrow stuff because like my eyebrows are pretty thick, but pretty much I use this e.l.f. brow pencil and I underline my eyebrows. Oof. Sometimes I don't even do this, so yeah. And then I use this spoolie. Hopefully I've blended that properly and we are done with the eyebrows. Now we're gonna move on to the eyelashes. Actually, let's do wings. First, I love doing eyeliner, but recently I've been addicted to using mascara. But anyway, we're gonna do wings. I'm gonna move close. I hope it doesn't like blur out or like unfocus. I don't know where the camera stopped, but like I'm doing this other side, but I messed up, so yeah. Whenever I try to do something right that I'm genuinely good at, I get worse at it because I'm trying to show it to other people. But yeah, hopefully that's even. Is it? Because I can't see. Looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with this eyeshadow curler that I have. Honestly, I have like 3 eyeshadow curlers. This one doesn't have a brand, so yeah. I curl my eyelashes like this because I saw one tutorial that taught me how to curl my eyelashes properly. Kind of smudged my eyeliner, but I'll fix that later. When I do the other eye, I always end up like tearing up because I end up like pinching my eyelid. Now we're gonna move on to mascara. I use this Maybelline Great Lash waterproof mascara. I bought the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup, but I didn't like it because it's not waterproof and I cry a lot, so it's not gonna be worth it. I kind of bended this on purpose to like make it easier to reach out for the stuff. I'm being extra careful because like whenever I do my eyelashes, I end up poking my eyelid and I start like tearing up. I smudged my eyeliner again. I'll do it again later. So we're officially done with the main part of the look, which is the eyes. And now we're gonna move on to blush. These days I use the Peri Para Ink Airy Velvet lip tint in the shade number 5. I usually use this much and now I'll just like blend it. I love blush a lot, so sometimes I add another layer, but I think this is fine. The next thing I use is highlight. I don't really use highlighters, like actual highlighters. I use this Makeup Forever Metal Collection lip gloss that my friend Shay gave me. Just put it like at the high points of my cheeks and also my nose. This one I tend to use the actual brush. Now we move to the last step of this makeup look. I feel like it was so long because of the eyelashes and the eyeshadow and all that, and also the eyeliner. I'm finally gonna use the last step, which is lip tint. I use the Dear Darling lip tint by Etude House in the shade 302. And I think we are done with this makeup look. Now for some knee clips.
Sinking deeper, deeper. She's a heavy sleeper. Sinking deeper, deeper. I should probably keep her.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope this is still in focus. If it's not, then well, that sucks. Anyway, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want more makeup tutorials, let me know. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a 16-year-old YouTuber that lives in the US, and I make fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and sometimes K-pop related videos. So if you like that stuff, go ahead and subscribe, and I will definitely make more content soon. And yeah, be sure to check in every Wednesday at 12 p.m. EST. Yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one, and I'm gonna go head out, and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye!
That's our bitch to shame.